Hey there, curious minds! Welcome back to another fascinating journey into the wild world of nature. Today, I've got a wild story for you about some of the most radical insects on the planet. We're diving deep into the lives of creatures that redefine the concept of defense. We're talking about ants that explode. Yes, you heard that right. These tiny insects have a defense mechanism that is as dramatic as it is effective. Yeah, you heard me right. Exploding ants are real. It's not just a myth or a scene from a sci-fi movie. First off, let's dive into where these explosive critters live. These ants have made their home in one of the most biodiverse regions on Earth. These ants, known as Colobopsis explodens, are found in the rainforests of Southeast Asia. This lush, dense environment is the perfect backdrop for their extraordinary behavior. They look pretty unassuming at first glance, but don't let their ordinary appearance fool you. These ants are anything but ordinary. Now, what's so special about these ants? What sets them apart from the thousands of other ant species out there? Well, unlike their cousins, these ants have a truly unique defense mechanism. It's a strategy that has evolved over millions of years. When under threat, these ants will actually burst themselves open to protect their colony. Imagine that. It's a last-ditch effort to ensure the survival of their community. Their bodies release a sticky, toxic substance that can immobilize and even kill their predators. This goo is their secret weapon, so why do they explode? It's all about survival. In the harsh world of the rainforest, every creature needs a way to defend itself. By sacrificing themselves, these ants ensure the safety of their queen and the rest of their colony. It's a selfless act that highlights the importance of the colony over the individual. It's a mind-blowing act of selflessness, don't you think? This behavior is a testament to the complex social structures of ants. Now let's talk about the science behind it. How exactly do these ants manage to explode? These ants have specialized glands filled with a sticky yellow goo. This substance is key to their explosive defense. When they sense danger, they contract their abdominal muscles so hard that their bodies literally rupture. It's a process that is both fascinating and gruesome. This goo is then sprayed all over the predator, creating a deadly trap. Pretty clever, huh? But wait, there's more. This isn't just a random act of heroism. The colony actually has a well-thought-out strategy for this explosive defense. The colony actually has designated suicide bombers, older worker ants who are nearing the end of their lifespan. These ants are the ones who take on the dangerous task of defending the colony. It's a strategic move that ensures the colony remains strong while minimizing the loss of younger, more productive members. Nature truly is fascinating. The younger ants continue to work and support the colony, ensuring its survival. And here's another fun fact. These ants aren't the only insects with explosive tendencies. The insect world is full of surprises. There are also Bombarder beetles that can shoot boiling chemicals from their bodies. These beetles have their own unique way of defending themselves. But that's a story for another day. Stay tuned for more incredible tales from the natural world. So, the next time you see a humble ant, remember that there's a whole world out there filled with incredible creatures and astonishing survival tactics. These tiny insects have evolved some of the most remarkable strategies to stay alive. Who knew that such tiny insects could pack such a big punch? Their small size belies their incredible capabilities. Thanks for tuning in, curious minds. Your curiosity helps us explore and share these amazing stories. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing stories from the world of nature. See you next time. Keep exploring and stay curious.